guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Khadijah, and in today's video I will be doing a wig install. So I'm really excited about today's video because I'm working with one of my favorite companies ever, and that is RPGSHOW here. I love their wigs. I feel like out of all the companies I worked with, they're in like top 3. Their wigs are so good and their packaging is just everything. This is what our wig came in. When you first open the box, of course they're telling you thank you very much for your purchase. They tell you how to contact them and of course your order details. RPGSHOW is written all over it. Then after that you get your own RPGSHOW salon magazine. Everything you need to know is right at your fingertips, literally. Like, they give you everything you need to know. And not only that, you receive a bag to store your wig. I feel like I have so many wigs and I have nowhere to put them. I'm literally running out of space. And of course their name is on there, RPGSHOW. So yeah, when you finish and you take your wig off, you have somewhere to put it. We also received a wig cap as well. So this is the wig we're working with today, and it has like a pretty copper orange brownish color to it, and I love it. And you would think that these wigs are handmade and hand colored, but it just blends so seamlessly together. It's just perfect. I really love the quality of their wigs. This is their invisible lace, and as you can see, the wig was already plucked, already bleached, and I love it. This is a 13x6 unit, 14 inches long. This is it. So this is the wig. It comes with the 2 combs in the side, but I always just take them off because I feel like in my mind they're just sticking into my head. It also comes with the adjustable strap, and of course it has their branding on it, and definitely the comb in the back is the one that I use. So this is the unit and it's super pretty, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I recently relaxed my hair, so I'm not trying to get any form of glue on my edges. So I'm just gonna go ahead and push my hair back. And I will be doing a bald cap method today. Like, I'm super excited. I haven't done a bald cap method in forever. So I'm just gonna go ahead and push my edges back. The edge control that I'll be using is from Cream of Nature. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig cap on, and as you can see, this wig cap is super thin. I mean, you could use other wig cap, but ever since they created these, why not use them? So let's go ahead and put our wig cap on. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the ear tabs out. I like to cut it from behind because I feel like when you cut it in front, the hole is just too big. So let's cut it from behind, pull your ear through. So this is what it's given, okay? Go ahead and glue it. I will be using my Wonder Lace by Eben. And you can use your hand to push it back, but I prefer to use a comb because I do not want my hand to get messy right now. What I'm about to do to secure this is to apply some of my Eben Wonder Lace Bond glue to the ear tabs and just keep them down. I really don't want this lifting up. It is completely dried. Now I'm about to cut this off. It is squeezing my head, so let's go ahead and cut this off. While I'm cutting this off, I will be peeling it back, not too far back. I want it to just align with my hairline. So now I'm just going to go ahead and apply some makeup to my lace. I will be using this Juvia's powdered foundation. This shade is Katsina, and I will be applying this using my angled brush. I won't be applying any form of foundation to the lace because I feel like when you apply foundation to the bald cap and then you apply it to the lace, it gives a cakey look when you add the glue to it and the glue doesn't work. So I won't be applying any form of foundation to the lace. I'm just going to go ahead and put it on. Alright guys, so this is it. It is so pretty. Like, it is just so pretty. I love how it's looking. It is completely glueless. The hairline is given. I love it. So let's go ahead and glue our wig. I will be using my Even Wonder Lace Bond glue to glue my wig. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull my wig forward, and before I press it down, I'm just gonna align it with my hairline. I really don't want it too far in my forehead. Just gonna press this side down. I feel like the hairline is just right where I need it to be, and because it's plucked already, it is giving us a really natural vibes. I just love it. I might have to apply some glue to the front section right here. It looks like I might have to, but everything else perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these ear tabs out. I'm just gonna cut right where the lace ends. Let's go ahead and cut the lace off. For my beginners, I do recommend you use a scissor instead of the razor. Reason being, if you don't know how to use it, you'll cut yourself. It's all about precision when you're cutting with the razor. So if you're using the razor, I would definitely recommend that you hold it like this, right where the lace ends, right where you want to cut, and you just peel the lace back on it and it will give you a more natural look. But if you're using the scissor, it'll be way easier because then you'll be able to see what you're actually cutting. Way more comfortable using my scissors because I can see what I'm doing. You're using the scissor, same rule apply. Just put your scissor in this position flat and just rip it. Wait, my scissor is sticky. Let me get some scissor. You want to hold your scissors flat like this and just cut along where you glued. Cut along the hairline right where you glue. You don't want to cut off too much because then you're gonna have to pluck the unit again. So let's go ahead and cut it off, and this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the next Now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some of my olive oil wig grip spray to the unit, tie it down, and then we finish styling our wig. About dried, so I'm just going to go ahead and take this off and then we can get some curls into the unit. So the hairline looks a little bit harsh, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use the comb of my edge brush. I will be keeping it in the center. I feel like I'll keep it in the center for the video, but once I style it, I'll put it in the side because the side part is given. I like how it looks in the side, but for the video, let's keep it in the center. I'm just gonna go ahead and use some of my Samnite wax stick. Alright guys, so this is the final look. It is coming off very, very pretty. This is it. I feel like this side dropped down way too much, but I'm not gonna recurl it. This is it. So pretty, super bouncy. Color is so pretty. This wig is from RPGSHOW here, and this is their 14-inch 13x6 copper brown body wave wig. I love the unit. The density on this one is actually 200%. It is given top tier. I love it. It's screaming luxury. The lace smells great. The quality is just perfect, and the color combo is just so pretty. If you want to get this wig, then go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.